Financial freedom is the state of having sufficient financial resources to live the life you desire without being dependent on others or being constrained by your financial situation. It means having control over your finances, being debt-free, and having enough savings and investments to cover your living expenses and any unexpected costs, allowing you to make life choices without being driven by money. Steps to achieve financial freedom: set clear financial goals. 1. Define what financial freedom means to you. 2. Set both short-term and long-term financial goals. Create a budget and stick to it. 1. Track your income and expenses. 2. Allocate your income towards essentials, savings, investments, and discretionary spending. 3. Adjust your budget regularly to reflect changes in your financial situation. Build an emergency fund. 1. Save 3-6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. 2. This fund is your financial safety net for unexpected expenses like medical emergencies or job loss. Pay off debt. 1. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, like credit card balances. 2. Use strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche to systematically eliminate debt. 3. Avoid accumulating new debt. Increase your income. 1. Explore opportunities for career growth, such as promotions, raises, or new job opportunities. 2. Consider side hustles or passive income streams to supplement your primary income. Invest wisely. 1. Start investing early to take advantage of compound interest. 2. Diversify your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. 3. Regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio to align with your goals. Plan for retirement. 1. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. 2. Take advantage of employer matches, if available. 3. Estimate your retirement needs and adjust your contributions accordingly. Live below your means. 1. Avoid lifestyle inflation, where your spending increases as your income rises. 2. Focus on needs over wants, and prioritize saving and investing over unnecessary expenditures. Educate yourself financially. 1. Continuously learn about personal finance, investing, and money management. 2. Stay informed about economic trends and how they might impact your financial situation. Review and adjust your plan regularly. 1. Regularly assess your financial situation, goals, and progress. 2. Make necessary adjustments to stay on track toward financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom requires discipline, patience, and a long-term commitment to managing your money wisely.